Southwest 2504, inside runs ILS 31 center.
2504 Midway Tower, runway 31 center, clear to land.
Southwest 2504, clear to land 31 center.
Flight 560, turn left on runway 4 left, cross runway 31 left, and hold short of runway 31 center.
Right, left on 4 left, cross 22 or 13 center, flight 560.
Flight 560 negative, cross runway 31 left, hold short runway 31 center.
Cross 31 left, hold short 31 center, flight 560.
Southwest
2504 going around.
2504, roger that, climb maintain 3000.
Southwest 2504 up to 3000.
Flight 560, hold your position there.
Hold position, flight 560.
Flight 560, continue across the hold short of hotel.
Cross hold short hotel, flight 560.
Flight 560, your instructions are to hold short of runway 31 center.
So 2504, one able turn left heading 220.
Left heading 220, Southwest 2504.
Flight 560, hold right there, sir, don't move.
Hold position, 560.
And tower Southwest 2504, how'd that happen?
So 2504, climbing 3000, contact Chicago approach 128.2.
Flight 560, possible pilot deviation, advise you contact Midway Tower at a number when you're ready to copy.
Flight 560, ready to go.
Flight 560, read back right.